What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, I'm gonna be swapping out these wheels and I'm gonna be putting in new spark plugs. I'm still waiting on the carburetor boots and the gaskets for the carbs. I just gotta change the speed sensor because this is digital cluster, so I'm gonna switch that out with the old one, swap everything. Let's get into these rims. Alright guys, the front wheel's out. This is what it looks like now. I think it looks a lot better with this wheel, the white walls on this bike. So I don't know if this has ever been done on any Honda Shadows. I know that the brakes are not gonna be, they're kind of scraping. So if you see, I don't know if you can see that gap. There's like a little gap right there where my finger's at. So there's a gap between the caliper fork right here. So I gotta get some washers and space that out, or like a sleeve or something. So it spins, nothing gets in the way, but I'm gonna put some washers so this is not moving. Hopefully we don't have no problems with the back one. Hopefully they're the same, but before I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna measure them before I put it in. So let's see if the speedometer works. Alright guys, so I had to take the wheel back off because I made an oopsie and I forgot to take this off from the old wheel, which makes the speed sensor work, because it grabs here and it spins the speed sensor. Okay guys, so it's in there, little piece, not going nowhere. So now I put this in here like this, and you can see this little piece up here spinning. Now that means it's working. So let's put it back on the bike. All right guys, let's see if the speedo works. Yep, she's working. All right. Alright guys, so I got the back tire out. So this tire is a little bit thicker. This one's 140 by 90, 15. This one is 170, 80 by 15. So this one's a little bit wider and shorter. So it's gonna be a little bit harder to get into the bike because it's a lot thicker. You see the difference right there. So I might have to take this out and bend that black bar right there bend it a little bit because it's gonna scrape. So I'll try to put it on now, but it's not gonna, I don't think it's gonna fit. Yeah, so it's hitting on this side and it's hitting on this side. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this off. Gonna take all 3 of those bolts off, bolt it on the rim, put the rim in. Like I was saying, this black piece that's here, I might have to dent it in, like. All right guys, so the wheel's in. You can probably see it's like, it'll be really close to hitting here, but on this side it'll be definitely touching here. Well, it's not touching anything here, so just to be on the safe side, I am going to put mine from my old bike. It goes like this, so you can see it's a lot flatter on this side.
This day brings another year to a close, and yet at the same time it's the first step towards the beginning of a new adventure. Outside of the
All right guys, so the back wheel's in. I got everything tightened down. So look at this back wheel, how she spins. So it's close to here, but it's not touching. It's not touching. So I got my old brake drum on. This is on. This my old brake. You see how much space is in the back, so it has plenty of space for the tire to turn. See that? It's just this side, it's pretty close, but it's not gonna touch. So I'm gonna spin it. The brake's working and everything. Brake spinning, can't move it. So the wheels are in, guys. So now I'm gonna change out the spark plugs. Alright guys, so spark plugs are in. These are the old ones. They look a little burnt, but they don't look too bad. Alright guys, so it's the next day. It's nice and sunny outside. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the carbs back in. I'm gonna see if I can get everything connected, put the seat on. I don't need a tank because I can run this line straight to the carbs. Take it for a little test drive, see how she handles. All right guys, carbs in. I charged the battery last night, so hopefully it, hopefully she actually works this time. right, guys, so she's running. The carbs were backfiring. I just need to get the boots, the new boots, and put everything back together, and she should be straight after that. I'll give the carbs another clean because the fuel that was in there in the gas tank was probably running through the carbs and it was bad gas. So I'm just gonna go through it again. But she's running. She's looking nice with these white walls. I'm gonna end the video here, guys, so give me a like, thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.